Welcome to this ZENworks demonstration video. In this video, we will provide an overview of the Android Enterprise features and also provide a walkthrough on the capabilities and tasks that need to be performed to get started with Android Enterprise using ZENworks. Android in the Enterprise enables IT administrators to secure corporate data on devices, be it in the BYOD scenario or for corporate-owned devices. In the BYOD scenario, Android Enterprise lets you create a work profile that separates users' personal data from corporate data. Whereas for a company-owned device, the administrator can manage every aspect of the device. Let us consider a scenario where XYZ Corporation has two sets of users. One set belongs to the sales division and another belongs to the manufacturing division. Peter in the sales division brings his own device to work and carries it along during his business trips, whereas Anna in the manufacturing division has been provided with a corporate-owned device. By using Android Enterprise with ZENworks, Roger, an administrator in XYZ Corporation, can enroll Peter's device in the work profile mode that will give Roger complete control over corporate data and related applications without compromising on Peter's personal data. Whenever Peter decides to leave the organization, Roger can remove only the work profile without impacting Peter's personal data. Coming to Anna's corporate-owned device, Roger can enroll this device as a work-managed device, thereby enabling Roger to manage the entire device. When Anna decides to leave the organization, Roger can simply factory reset the device and then hand it over to the next user. To set up Android in the Enterprise program within ZENworks, Roger needs to first enroll to Android Enterprise by creating an Android Enterprise subscription in ZENworks. Then create and assign the Android profile enrollment policy to enable Peter and Anna enroll their devices in the work profile mode and work managed device mode respectively. Roger can approve the business application that will help Roger and Anna access their work related data. As soon as these work apps are approved, ZENworks identifies these apps and creates bundles. Peter and Anna can now enroll their devices in the respective modes. Roger can now assign this bundle to Peter and Anna's devices, and the associated apps will be deployed on their devices. To secure the corporate data on Peter and Anna's devices, Roger can apply password, profile inactivity, and other device restrictions by creating and assigning the mobile security and device control policies to their devices. He can also apply the mobile compliance policy to monitor the compliance status of the devices. Details on each of these tasks are provided in the subsequent videos published in this series.